Stop measuring downtime when you can start calculating maximum uptime. That is the technical demand of modern production. Introducing Techbond's high-performance adhesives, a small component in your production with a big impact on your line's performance. The boost is nothing but positive. We are helping packaging last longer, run faster, and perform better. We specialize in chemical innovations built for endurance, ensuring your products perform flawlessly. From extreme heat to freezing temperatures or even high-pressure environments. Our carton sealings. It's durable, non-charring, ensures clean fiber tear and reliable performance up to 80 cartons per minute. Paper bag adhesives. They're strong, flexible, non-charring, and maintenance-free for reduced downtime and high-speed production. Straw attachments and cap sealings. Ensures fast, tough, and reliable bonds on PE and OPP substrates. PET and glass bottle labeling adhesives, it offers exceptional ice water resistance. Even for returnable bottles. Delivering consistent performance with tough, resilient bonds for high-speed production and end-user experiences. OPP to PET bottle labeling adhesives. It offers extreme high cohesion strength to secure labelings even for carbonated drinks. Ensuring optimal bond toughness for instantaneous bonding for various application speeds. Lastly, for can labeling on vertical and horizontal lines, our non-charring, maintenance-free adhesives support speeds up to 1,000 cans per minute, delivering high mileage, consistent label pickup, and resilient bonds for reliable high-speed application. Just imagine a well-synchronized connector within your production line. Techbond adhesives are the connector, ensuring every part of the assembly bonds in perfect harmony. Delivering maximum uptime, increased stability, efficiency, and durability. Now that's a pretty good adhesive for the production run ahead. And wherever that production may take you, you'll find us conveniently located along the way. Let's connect. Techbond, your technical bonding partner for your paper and packaging needs.